Hey guys, it's Hans, and today I'm just going to do a quick video. We're going to see what 4K over-the-air broadcasts we can get here in the DFW area, Dallas-Fort Worth in Texas. Is the Silicone Dust HDHomerun box, and this is the new ATSC 3.0 tuner that they just released. I did the early buy option on the Kickstarter, and just got the device. It's a pretty nondescript box, just a white box. It does have a little sticker on it with the Mac ID and device ID. So anyhow, let's get this thing hooked up real quick and see what we get. Alright, so we got a little card here, shows you how to hook it up. We got the box itself, pretty basic. Power cord, Ethernet cable, and it looks like some kind of coin supporting the Kickstarter, so kind of cool. Okay, so that's it. Let's go ahead and get this thing hooked up and we'll see what we have. Okay, so the scan of the channels just finished. It looks like it found 90 channels here in Dallas. Here's what they are. Okay, so that's the channel lineup. Let's go see what they look like. So as you just saw on that channel scan, it only found channels designated as HD. There's no UHD designation, and it didn't appear that there was any additional channels found. So I'm not really too optimistic on what we're gonna find here, but anyhow, let's just pull up the app real quick, and we'll just see what's being broadcast here in Dallas. So on my computer here, I'll just pull up the HDHomerun app. Now obviously I've got this app on other devices, Apple TV, the new release of the app on Apple TV, and then I've been running it on a NVIDIA Shield and then Fire devices as well. So anyhow, here you'll see the app. You know, it's finding the device. It's got the Connect 4K. If I go to live TV, you'll see something pop up here. So yeah, it is broadcasting, or it is working with the regular channels, the regular broadcast. And sorry for the daytime TV here in Dallas. It's pretty much all garbage. So let me just turn this down. Sorry about that. So anyhow, this is just a regular NBC here in Dallas 5.1, and if I pull up the actual device so we can see what's going on here, let me see, got the IP address. So here you'll see, it's got the Connect 4K, and if I go to my channel lineup, you'll see that it's just the channels are just designated still as HD. Now, I don't know if that's something that's going to change, if they're going to actually have this icon change to UHD, but as of now, it appears that it's just being broadcast in regular HD. And if we go to the status of the tuner, we should be able to see that here. You'll see Tuner 2 is broadcasting NBC, and yeah, it's just a standard HD bit rate. 13 megabits, 14 megabits per second. So it looks like it's kind of a bust here in Dallas. Nothing being broadcast over the air in 4K yet. As of today, today's Friday, October 16th, 2020. So as of that date, it doesn't appear that anything is being broadcast in UHD. There's no 4K broadcast. So sorry guys, again, I'll keep scanning this thing. If any channels pop up, anything new pops up here in DFW, I'll post an update to this video and let you guys know. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.